Good morning. Today's shake of the day, starting with chocolate base from our scho.fit Nutrition chocolate protein. We're doing chocolate mint today. And no, Hank, you can't have one. So start with a scoop of protein. And even though the chocolate protein is really delicious, I want to put some extra cacao in, make it a little like double chocolatey. And cacao has lots of nutrients, so I'm doing about a teaspoon of cacao. And then I'm going to put some flax seeds, ground flax. Ground flax is going to add like a little bit of a molasses flavor. And again, we want all the nutrients from flax. Nice scoop of flax. I'm going to also do some hemp hearts. My dog thinks he's gonna have one, he's not. And our mint, peppermint. So a tiny, tiny bit of peppermint. And half of a banana and a ripe banana at that. So half of a banana. You could do a frozen banana so that it makes your shake more like a Frosty. And non-dairy milk. We always want to be using non-dairy milk. It does have actually more vitamin C, the almond milk does, than dairy milk. And it also has the vitamin C, or I'm sorry, calcium, not vitamin C. I got the C words mixed up. And no, I'm not going to edit this video because that's just how I am. But calcium from dairy actually leaches calcium from our bones. We've been lied to forever. So we do not want to get our calcium from dairy. It isn't where we get it from. So I'm going to blend this, and this is, my husband's going to enjoy one, I'm going to enjoy one, and I'll be back to let you know what we think of them. Okay, I've not tasted it yet. You get to watch. Really, really, really good. Awesome. And I would suggest frozen banana or even a few ice cubes, make it a little thicker. Okay, taste it. Gotta get his opinion.
It's perfect. It's chocolate mint.
There we go. Another new flavor. And everything in it is super healthy. So you can have this on a weight loss, muscle building program.